on the roads. Steve.
This is Steve Liebenthal with the Idaho News 6 forecast.
Nice, pleasant evening in Boise after a relatively normal day for this time of year. We are in the dog days of summer when our normal high day after day is 93 degrees, and today we surpassed that, but by only 1 degree at 94. Morning low nice and refreshing at 56. The normal is 62, and that's about where we'll be tomorrow morning. We will come nowhere near that 105 record, but we will come close to, if not hitting the triple digits in some places. Nice look at the sunset over Payette Lake this evening. Temperature there got up into the 80s today, and it will be even warmer tomorrow with a high of 88. The moisture we're watching coming out of the south, not likely to make it to the central mountains until Tuesday. I wouldn't be surprised if we see red flag warnings expanding into the central mountains over the next 24 to 48 hours. It's something we're watching closely. 79 right now in Boise, 59 already in Stanley, things cooling down at high elevation. Tomorrow morning, we will stay in the 60s into the mid 80s by noon. You notice some cloud cover coming in the afternoon, and we have to mention the possibility of afternoon thunderstorms, and that's why there is a red flag warning to the south of us. The Oahe Mountains likely to get some activity, and some of that could drift over the valley. We've seen it happen before. Our forecast high for tomorrow is 99. Tuesday, a bit of cloud cover keeps things cooler at 95. And then triple digits to finish off the week before a cool down just in time for next weekend, if you can call 91 a cool down. And here's a look at future precipitation. It does show the potential of some very light rain, which is not good news because that indicates that the thunderstorms that will be coming to places that they go, if they indeed happen, will be very sparse with moisture, and that's a problem. We have heating conditions, dry conditions, and the threat of thunderstorms. We saw them over in northern Nevada today, and there's a high likelihood that region will see them again tomorrow, and that's why this red flag warning is in effect. And it stretches all the way from the southern highlands around Twin Falls all the way to Medford, to the west, and all of northern Nevada and most of northern California under that red flag warning as well. You see those showers dying down now, but there's an area of low pressure over California that's moving in our direction. With that southerly flow, we get the warmer temperatures, but there's enough moisture there that that heating would create instability in some places, and that's what leads to thunderstorms. That's why that red flag warning is in effect for the Oahes, especially on the southern highlands of Idaho. Fire weather watches so far for southeast Idaho, but those may turn into red flag warnings as well as we go through the next couple of days. 98, 99 for tomorrow in Boise after a morning low of 63 degrees. The Boise Mountains getting warm, 93 in Idaho City. Garden Valley up to 96 tomorrow afternoon. West Central Mountains close to 90 in places like McCall, 99 in Riggins. I'll bet it gets hotter than that around Whitebird. 84 in Stanley after a morning low of 41 degrees, and Fairfield just a light breeze in the afternoon with a high of 89. In the Magic Valley, look for mostly sunny skies, but that threat of thunderstorms coming in the afternoon. Those afternoon highs in the mid and in some cases upper 90s. Upper 90s is where we'll be in parts of the Treasure Valley, but triple digits likely in places like Ontario and Nissa. A bit of a cool down, if you can call it that, on Tuesday, and a chance of thunderstorms there. And then you see triple digits for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Things getting back to normal just in time for next weekend.
Whew, those are some high temperatures, Steve. You know, it's probably super important as well that people are very careful with not setting any fires right now because of that threat of any lightning-caused fires. So I'm sure the last thing they need are any human-caused fires right now.
I was in Stanley last week, and there was a small fire near Stanley Lake. It's because somebody thought they were doing the right thing and leaving no trace when they set their toilet paper on fire.
What?
Started a small fire. They got a handle on it, but yeah, you're right.
Oh my gosh, toilet paper. Not worth it. All right. Thank you so much, Steve.